Tucked along the sun-soaked strip of Boulevard Cucucan in Cancun's famous hotel zone, Breathless Cancun Soul Resort and Spa has quickly become one of the buzziest adults-only escapes in Mexico. This 4-5-star all-inclusive property sits directly on the beach at kilometer 45, giving guests that postcard-perfect view of turquoise Caribbean water the moment they step outside. It is part of the inclusive collection under Hyatt's umbrella, which means guests get the polish of a major hotel brand mixed with a lively, party-friendly personality, with review scores hovering around 8 on Booking and Expedia and a solid 4.5 out of 5 on TripAdvisor. It clearly makes a strong impression on the thousands of travelers who have passed through its doors. Starting with the rooms, Breathless keeps things simple by focusing on a handful of well-designed suite categories rather than overwhelming guests with a dozen options. The Allure Suite Ocean View is the entry-level pick, and it still delivers a private balcony or terrace overlooking the sea, which is exactly what most people fly to Cancun for in the first place. These suites come in around 40 square meters and can hold up to 3 guests, with the choice between 1 king bed or 2 doubles depending on the travel party. Inside, guests will find a full bathroom with a walk-in shower, a vanity mirror, a hairdryer, and thoughtful extras like a coffee and tea maker for slow mornings. The tech touches are modern too, including an in-room tablet, flat-screen cable television, complimentary Wi-Fi, and an electronic safe for peace of mind. Moving up the ladder, the Exhale Club oceanfront suites give guests that unbroken frontal view of the Caribbean along with access to the exclusive Exhale Club lounge, personalized check-in and check-out, and an upgraded minibar refreshed daily. For those who cannot bear to be more than 3 steps from the water, the Allure Suite Swim Out is the showstopper, offering a private terrace with direct access into a shared pool. Every room across the property benefits from 24-hour room service, daily housekeeping, and mini bars stocked with drinks and snacks. Air conditioning keeps things cool during those humid Yucatan afternoons, and the overall design leans into a modern, breezy aesthetic with plenty of natural light. Since this is an adults-only resort, the room layouts prioritize couples and small groups of friends rather than family setups, which keeps the atmosphere focused and quiet inside the suites even when the pool deck is buzzing. When it comes to food and drink, Breathless does not hold back, and this is where the all-inclusive tag really starts to shine. Spoon is the main international buffet, serving breakfast, lunch, and dinner with a rotating spread that covers everything from Mexican staples to European comfort dishes and fresh fruit stations. Picante brings authentic Mexican flavors in an a la carte setting, which is a must considering the location, while Silk City serves Pan-Asian cuisine including sushi rolls for those who want lighter, sharper flavors after a day in the sun. Kibi is one of the more unique offerings, focusing on Middle Eastern dishes that are not commonly found at typical Caribbean resorts, giving guests a genuine reason to try something new during their stay. For lunch and quicker bites, Fish Nets is a beachside seafood grill that keeps things casual and fresh, and the Barefoot Grill dishes up grilled snacks perfect for eating between pool sessions without changing out of a swimsuit. Bites rounds things out with gourmet small plates and international snacks throughout the day. On the drinks side, the resort features multiple bars including 2 swim-up bars that are perennial favorites, letting guests order tropical cocktails without ever leaving the water. There is also a rooftop terrace bar where the sunset views turn every drink into a mini event. Reviewers frequently praise the variety and quality of the food, though a few have mentioned that the more popular a la carte spots can involve long waits during peak season, so making reservations early in the day is a smart move. The pool and beach scene is arguably the star of the show at Breathless, and it is easy to see why. The resort features multiple outdoor pools, including rooftop infinity pools that overlook the ocean and give guests one of the most photographed views on the entire property. Kayla M. on TripAdvisor called the rooftop pools spectacular, and honestly the photos back that up completely. The main pool areas are dotted with plenty of loungers, umbrellas, and daybeds, and staff regularly come around offering towels, drinks, and snacks so guests never have to break their relaxation streak. The 2 swim-up bars keep the energy high, especially in the afternoon when a DJ or live entertainment often takes over the deck. For those who prefer sand between their toes, the direct beachfront access is a major selling point, since not every Cancun resort has an equally usable stretch of sand. The beach here is soft, white, and easy to walk on, with loungers and shaded areas set up for guests. Water activities are part of the all-inclusive package at most Cancun resorts of this caliber, and Breathless is no exception, with non-motorized options often available for those who want to try their hand at kayaking or paddleboarding. The ocean itself can be lively depending on the day, so guests looking for calm swimming conditions often gravitate back to the pools, while adventure seekers head out into the surf. It is a nicely balanced setup that suits both energy levels without forcing anyone into one mode. Beyond the water, there is a healthy list of activities to keep guests busy throughout the day. The fitness center is well equipped for anyone looking to squeeze in a workout before hitting the buffet, and the resort regularly organizes group activities like pool games, dance lessons, and beach volleyball. Evening entertainment is one of the property's calling cards, with themed parties, live music, and on-site events that keep the vibe lively well past sunset. Guests looking for something quieter can enjoy the rooftop terrace or find a shaded lounger away from the main pool action. Cultural and educational activities are less structured here than at some other resorts, but guests can easily arrange day trips to nearby archaeological sites like Chichen Itza, Cholum, or the cenotes scattered throughout the Yucatan Peninsula. The concierge team is generally helpful with booking excursions, snorkeling tour, and even golf tee times at nearby courses. For sports lovers, the location on the hotel zone strip means that everything from jet ski rentals to catamaran cruises is just a short walk or shuttle ride away. That combination of on-site entertainment and easy off-site adventure gives guests plenty of ways to fill their days without feeling stuck. The spa and wellness offerings at Breathless are a genuine highlight and often called out by guests as one of the reasons they would return. The full-service spa specializes in thalassotherapy, which uses seawater and marine products in various treatments, along with aromatherapy sessions and a wide menu of massages. Whether guests are recovering from a long flight, a late night, or just too much sun, the spa provides a proper reset. Carlos on booking specifically praised his massage as awesome, and that kind of feedback shows up repeatedly across review sites. The treatment rooms are calm and beautifully appointed, and the therapists are professional without being pushy about upsells. Beyond the treatment rooms, the wellness experience extends to hydrotherapy circuits, hot tubs, and relaxation lounges where guests can unwind before or after appointments. Yoga sessions are periodically offered, often at sunrise on the beach or the rooftop, which is a lovely way to start a vacation day. The fitness center handles the more active side of wellness with modern cardio and weight equipment. Detox and specialty programs are available upon request, though guests looking for hardcore wellness retreats might want to combine the spa here with a longer stay elsewhere for a fuller experience. Still, for a resort that leans into partying and celebration, the wellness side is surprisingly well developed and easy to use. Location-wise, Breathless is planted in one of the most convenient parts of Cancun. Playa Langosta is just about a kilometer away for guests who want to explore a different stretch of sand, and Playa Tortugas sits around 2 kilometers up the strip. Puerto Cancun Marina Town Center is roughly 3 kilometers away and offers shopping, restaurants, and marina views for a nice afternoon out. The Cancun Convention Center, useful for larger events, is about 4.5 kilometers from the property. Golf lovers can reach the Puerto Cancun golf course in about 5 kilometers, which is a manageable taxi ride. For shopping and nightlife, Forum Beach and the surrounding party zone are around 5 kilometers away, putting the main Cancun club district within easy reach when guests want to venture out. La Isla Shopping Mall, one of the most popular retail spots in the area, is roughly 8 kilometers down the strip and worth a visit for its open-air canal design and mix of international brands. Cancun International Airport sits about 20 kilometers away, which usually translates to a 25 to 30-minute transfer depending on traffic. That balance of proximity to entertainment without being buried in the noisiest part of the strip is one of the reasons this location scores so consistently well across booking platforms. Taking a step back for an overall review, Breathless Cancun Sol earns its high ratings for good reason. Guests consistently praise the cleanliness, which scores above 9 on multiple platforms, along with the friendly and attentive staff, the beautiful pools, and the strong food variety. The atmosphere is fun, social, and clearly aimed at adults who want to enjoy themselves without kids running through the pool deck. Verified travelers on Expedia specifically call out the rooms as spotless, the entertainment as top-notch, and the rooftop terrace as a highlight of the entire stay. For couples celebrating anniversaries, groups of friends escaping winter, or bachelorette parties looking for a photogenic backdrop, the resort delivers exactly what it promises. That said, no property is perfect, and a few consistent critiques show up across reviews. The music can get loud at night, which some guests love and others find disruptive when trying to sleep, particularly in rooms closer to the main pool. Value for money scored slightly lower at 8.3 on Booking, suggesting some guests feel the pricing sits at the higher end for what is offered. A handful of reviewers like Derek S. on TripAdvisor noted that room service could be inconsistent, and that the crowd sometimes skews older, which may or may not appeal depending on personal preferences. Wait times at popular restaurants during peak weeks are another recurring theme, so guests who dislike planning around dinner reservations may find that frustrating. What really sets Breathless Cancun's soul apart is the combination of an energetic, party-forward vibe with genuinely upscale finishes and service. Very few resorts pull off that mix without tipping too far into either the sterile luxury lane or the raucous spring break lane. The rooftop infinity pools with panoramic ocean views are the kind of feature guests brag about for months afterward, and the Exhale Club upgrade offers a legitimate premium tier with real perks rather than just marketing fluff. The direct beachfront access on one of the most desirable stretches of the hotel zone is another huge advantage, especially since some competing resorts are set back from the water or share limited beach space. The variety of themed restaurants, including the less common Middle Eastern menu at Kibi, gives guests real reason to try something new each night rather than repeating the same buffet loop. Add in the strong spa program built around thalassotherapy, the multiple swim-up bars, and the vibrant nightly entertainment, and Breathless positions itself as a genuine one-stop destination for adults who want everything in one place. It is also worth noting that the property lends itself well to weddings, destination celebrations, and group events, with the nearby Cancun Convention Center just 4.5 kilometers away and the resort's own event spaces, rooftop terraces, and beachfront ceremony options. It accommodates smaller conferences, corporate incentive trips, and private celebrations with relative ease. Finally, the guest experience highlights are where personal stories start to stack up. Jennifer on Booking called everything amazing, from the restaurants and bars to the bedrooms and overall stay. Multiple reviewers rave about the romantic dinner add-on, which sets guests up with a private beachside table, candles, and a customized menu that turns an ordinary evening into a proper memory. Turn-down service, thoughtful housekeeping touches, and staff who remember guest names by day 2 are the little things that push a good vacation into a great one. For travelers seeking a lively adults-only escape with plenty of polish, plenty of poolside cocktails, and just the right amount of romance, Breathless Cancun Soul Resort and Spa makes a strong case for itself as one of the top picks along the entire Cancun Strip. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.